Hi, this is John with The Evolving World. Today I'm doing a video on how to use your electric vehicle to power your house when the power goes out. So I looked at what I needed in a case of an emergency. I don't need to have the refrigerator on. I don't need to be able to cook. I don't really need to be able to microwave stuff. I don't have to do laundry. I don't have to do most of these things. All I really need is the gas heat fan on and the wood heat fan on and my laptop, a DSL modem, and about 4 lights or so, and that totals about 140 watts or so. So for me, the solution is this guy right here. So what this is this is a 300 watt rated 12 volt to 115 volt inverter. Has this nice anodized finish right here. This is about $21 on eBay. And this is going to plug right into our car, as you can tell. And that's basically all there is to it. First thing you want to do is plug it into your 12 volt power supply. Every car has one or two of these. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and turn the power on, as if you're going to go for a drive. And then basically make sure everything's off. So turn on our ventilation, make sure that the heater seats are off. And basically just minimal power. Just turn off your accessory lights if you can. I'll leave them on for this, but reduce it to 1. Next thing you want to do is you want to plug in your extension cord to reach to whatever you're trying to power. Since you'll most likely be in your garage when you do this, you're probably going to need at least a 50-foot power cord. So that's what I got right here. I got, just for an example, I have a power cord here. It's a 50-footer. And I've got 3 lights connected. These are old incandescent lights. Totaling, we got 2 60s and 140 watts. So that's a total of 160 watts. I also have it plugged into our meter here, so we'll be able to monitor what it actually draws. And so that should be, that's the equivalent of what I would need to power my entire house. The same wattage. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Car's already on. So we know we have power supplied to the 12 volt. Basically we're running everything off the 12 volt, and what happens is the 20 kilowatt battery pack will, there's a DC to DC converter that will charge that 12 volt up as necessary. So basically the big battery charges the little battery, and then the little battery comes in here and charges into here, and that goes out to our, supplies our power. Turn it on, and voila, we got power. So that's 114 volts, 1.3 amps, and 148 between 147, 148, 149. It's about 148 watt average right there. And so these are rated at 160, but of course these things don't always consume exactly as they're listed. Yeah, that's more than the power that I would need to power my whole house in survival mode. That's pretty much it. That's how you do it. Nothing else more to it. So I hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe if you did. Many more videos to come.